today we're asking each other all the tough questions, okay? Why do you be digging in your nose?
Why do you have to argue with the waiter?
That sugar sweet, you got what I need. Sipping on the potion, all that good emotion, just my kind of heat. Keep it on repeat, tested by the motion, loving this devotion. Live it up, live it up, live it up, sweet emotion. Every time, every night, you and I on a roll. Switch it up, switch it up, switch it up where I'm going. Stay on the fly just in time, know the right way to go. I'm on the road, it's my time, taking control of my life. I want to run the red lights, I've got to run this show. You always take me so high, you always...
What's up, YouTube? It's your girl, Kirsty.
It's your boy, Shotty Mod.
And today we're asking each other all the tough questions, okay? I got some things I need to know, okay? So, yeah. And we're going to have a mukbang. We're doing a mukbang. So, we got some seafood from Mad and Crab here in Tupelo. And I'm just going to be asking some questions. He's going to be asking me some questions. And we're gonna get to the bottom of some tough stuff.
Tough stuff, tough love.
Tough stuff, honey. Okay.
So, Foster Squad, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already done
And
so.
turn those notifications on so you can be notified every single time we post. So let's get to it.
Let's get to it.
It's good. Y'all, we just got off work, but we trying to bring y'all some content.
What?
So,
Bring us some good
bring y'all some content. Y'all, our baby is sick, so she in the background. She got a little cold. She not feeling well. That's why she's not on camera, but yeah. So,
I think I just ate the shell.
got to be more careful. Okay, so I'm gonna ask the first question first. Why do you be digging in your nose?
What?
I catch you digging in your nose all the time. Why?
Why do I dig in my nose? Like in public places or like
Everywhere. Everywhere.
If I do, I don't.
Talk up, babe.
If I do dig in my nose, I don't recall.
We want to hear you.
I don't recall.
We want
digging
to
in
know
my
what you have to say.
I don't dig in my nose. So I'm gonna deny that one. I don't dig my nose in public places.
I'll catch him and try to insert it somewhere. Yeah, he definitely digs in his nose.
Digging in my nose. Mm-hmm.
Okay. Your
Actually,
turn.
one for
Take
you.
mine. Yeah. There's nothing you need to know about me. You already know everything.
I know, right? Like everything. Why do you, like when we go out to eat, why do you have to argue with the waiter?
I don't do that, Marshawn.
Really?
Okay, if a waiter bring back, like to say, the wrong food.
We have a problem. We have a problem.
You'll go off on them.
Marshawn, you are sitting here telling that story.
Oh, hey.
You are sitting here making that up. I don't argue with the waitress.
Okay, not arguing with the waitress, but, letting them know, hey, you got this wrong. Can you get it correct?
That be you. Our baby is sick, y'all. Let me go check on her. Pause 1 second.
Yeah, pause.
I'm back.
Okay, take this.
Okay, so back to what he was saying. I don't do that.
Well, you don't argue with the waiter, but just say we had some, we'll get some cold food.
Stop it.
Get some cold food,
Who wouldn't take up for themselves?
No, I'm just saying, you're gonna let them know in a politely way. But I'm gonna be like, oh, you have to do them like that.
A politely way.
With some free food on the side.
That's you. That's
I'm
what
like,
you be doing.
I'm
gonna be like, yeah, my food is cold. Can I get my food warmed up, or can I get another serving of the food?
And I'm gonna be sitting in there like, Kirsty, get him
Okay,
my food
since
cold.
you wanna
My
do
food
that.
cold. My food cold. Get him. Let go. You know it's true. Hey, don't get me. Don't get me too bad. Don't get me too bad.
Why?
Uh-oh.
Boom, 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 boom. Why do you get a package every day? Why?
That be stuff for you, though. Like if I order something on Amazon.
Stop. Why do you order a package every day?
Amazon have a sale every day. No, don't you go get no packages. Don't you go pick up no boxes neither. Oh my goodness.
Stop. Let's open it. Let's see if it's for me.
Okay, it's for me, but.
Okay, why do you order a package every day?
Cause it be stuff I need. You know,
See,
stuff I have to get.
You didn't
stuff
want me
I
to
need.
open it, guys.
I really don't even know what's in that box anyway.
He
I kind of
did.
do want you to open it though, but.
He just be ordering stuff. He don't even know what he be ordering. He'll order something off QVC. Just because I told him.
Hey, when I was a kid, I used to.
Just because I told him.
Those necklaces, those pendants, and all that. I used to sell on Channel 11.
So what's your answer?
Why do I order stuff?
Mm-hmm.
Cause if I have the money put back, and then when I see something I like, I can put the money forward and get it.
God, that doesn't even make sense. What are you talking about?
It kind of did.
What?
Okay, I might have a spending problem. That's a little minor spending problem.
First step is to admit it.
Minor spending problem.
Okay.
Okay, here. Let's see. You want to get on?
Y'all, these crab legs are so
Yeah, I know, right?
good. Y'all, we have not.
I think that should be like an instruction book on how to eat seafood. Cause I feel like I'm just, you get all messy. Your hands get all in your fingernails and all that stuff. Get all kind of a little bitty messy. Little bitty messy ordeal.
We really don't know how to eat seafood. All we know is that it's going in our mouth into our belly.
And I always say these for legs, crab legs. I always eat the shrimp and eat the potatoes and stuff first. And eat these last.
Okay.
But I'm gonna show y'all how to break a crab leg here.
Shad, ask the questions back.
Let's see your question. Question for you. What's your favorite restaurant to go to in Tupelo?
I was asking each other a tough question.
What? Tough question?
That's not a tough question. You already know my answer.
Okay.
Stay focused, Marshawn. Stay focused. Y'all gonna learn. It's really hard for him to stay focused. You gotta
Gotta reel him in.
Gotta reel him in.
Bring me back home.
Reel him in. Every time.
You probably have to go again. Then I have to double up.
He trying to eat cute, but me, I'm just out here eating. Okay? Eating.
Yeah.
Woo! That was
on.
ice.
Sponsored by Clear.
No, we're not supposed to. But they can. But they can. You trying to eat cute?
No, I'm not. I ain't like this all the time. I do not break this in my family.
Yes, you do.
I normally break it with this anyway. Yeah,
normally, if he was off camera, his food would be gone. I'm not. I'm being for real.
Nah.
See, I'm being for real. I'm being so for real.
Let's see. Why,
Don't be asking no petty stuff.
Why you don't like to wear fitted clothes?
You mad.
I do. Just not around you.
Wow.
And let me tell y'all something.
No.
On the cruise we went on, baby, okay?
Yeah, you want to bring all that little...
I was doing what I do best out here, running these streets, okay?
Yeah, I know you. See, running the streets. You heard it from the mouth.
I'm just round. I'm like a nun, guys. I do not be out here running these streets. I'm like such a mom. Such a mom. Such a wife that needs a life, honey. Boring. But I do wear fitted clothes. I'm not like a fitted clothes type of girl that do it every day, but when the occasion calls for it, put my name down. I'm coming through, dripping.
Yeah.
Dripping.
You be dripping, wet.
Dripping.
When you dress up, hey, you be killing them.
Straight killing them.
Slaying. What's they say?
Slaying.
Slaying.
All day. Ain't no way. It ain't gonna be my day. It's gonna be my way. Is that what you say?
Okay.
My name's Tata.
Okay.
And now neighbor, what you say?
Say. Hey. Even Ray. I got on my JJ.
Hey. In the main.
Hey, my baby. Hey, Ray.
Hey. I'm your name, Zay.
Crazy.
Okay. So you want to get on my wardrobe? Cause I'm such a mom.
I mean, no, I wasn't saying it like that, but I mean, you say ask questions, so that's what I'm doing.
Okay. Why every time you go somewhere?
Let me see. I guess, let me see. I put on gym shorts. I wear gym shorts everywhere.
No, that's not what I was gonna say, Marshad. I was going to say, why every time you go somewhere, you gotta make sure you looking good. And I be thinking to me, I be like,
no, I don't be making sure I'm looking good. I didn't put on anything.
Shad, who wears a hat like this to work? This man got his work clothes on, and this is what he got on. And don't let him get no haircut. He got 2 vehicles. He got a little gas station, and he got a truck. Haircut, the day after haircut day, baby, or day of haircut, he's going to drive that truck, honey. He's going to put those earrings in. He's going to put that necklace on, okay? He's going to put that hat on, okay? Every time.
Wow.
He be on Snapchat, I be like, for him.
Oh.
Who out in the background?
Hey, mama taught me, man. When it's cold outside, put on that coat and that hat and dress up. Hey.
I do believe that.
Oh my goodness.
I do believe she did.
That sounds like it's some truth. Now I think I do drive the truck like every time.
You do, sir. You know how to piss me off. So I said, I'm like, here come the truck.
Wow.
But you be looking cute though, man. You be looking cute.
Thank you, baby. You looking fly too,
You be cute even when you don't have a haircut.
Oh my God!
Thank you. Hey, that was a big compliment right there. Cause I be thinking I be looking rough.
Give me some.
I be thinking I be looking rough right there, for real. I do.
No, you be looking hot. Like real spicy hot.
The blacker the beer, the sweeter the juice. Hey.
And
let's see here.
I'm getting full.
You getting full?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah,
Well, I'm glad you
What?
But you did. You don't. I don't think you answered the question. Like, why?
You say why?
Yeah. Why do you be dressing up to go to work? Like, why do you dress up to go to Walmart?
Be honest. I think I did be kind of feeling myself.
Wait. Oh yes. Wait a minute, Mr. Postman.
A little bit. I think it's okay for us guys to like feel ourselves a little bit. You know, every once in a while.
Yeah.
I mean, just
every
a
time
little
you get a
bit.
haircut.
I think it's not every time, is it?
Every time.
I don't know.
In real life, every time.
Maybe I just got accustomed to the ritual or whatever.
Okay, Marshall.
But I haven't really noticed that I've been doing it.
Well, I'm telling you, you do.
Well, I'm gonna have to switch it up on you because you can't have you watching my every move.
I'm sure all the folks at work know too. Every time this man get a haircut.
Hey, don't come for me in the comments.
Come for him in the comments, baby.
Don't come for me in the comments.
And his mama, she be in the comments too. So why do you do your son? Why did you teach your son to dress up everywhere he goes?
Please say nice things about me and my mama.
I love my mother-in-law.
Say nice things about us, please.
I really do.
Hey, that's mama raising too, though. What y'all talking about?
I really do have a good mother-in-law. Like it can't get no better than her. She real deal.
Yeah, and what you always say, you really done yourself with this one.
You really
outdid yourself with this one.
But she real deal. She a good person. And she cook for us. I don't cook. She take care of us, so I'm good. I ain't gonna talk about me.
Yeah, get you a mother-in-law who can cook.
For real. Shoot, whole family can cook. Well, okay. What you got for me?
Let's see. What's this like? Number 3.
I don't know what number it is, babe. Who's counting? Yeah, what is that?
Squid.
You know how to run out, boy. I tell you. If y'all hear some in the background, it's just our daughter playing her iPad.
Okay, what's the I know you like what's the nastiest what's that stuff you be eating? Like fat, you be eating fat off the like neck bones stuff.
Ew.
Like why do you do be eating that stuff?
Steak.
Yeah, steak. Why how do you like that?
Why do I like that?
Yeah,
Because that's what the flavor is. Cool, next question.
I mean, like that's something like you tried when you was little. Like when you was like
it was eating it
just
one day and like got it in my mouth and realized it had a lot of flavor.
Ew.
And so I was like,
It's so gummy.
I don't eat it, I suck on it.
No. Okay, moving on. Okay.
You don't like my answer?
No, I don't like
You
the
don't like my
answer.
answer?
No,
I don't know what to tell you.
Not on live camera, no. No, I can't do it. I can't take it. Okay.
Okay. I actually like, I want to ask a music question. This man
A
loves
music question.
Yeah. How does it feel to be able to play something like by ear, like get on your piano and figure out the notes and play it? Like like do you feel like you've been touched by that? Like whoop.
Of course.
Like how does that feel to have that talent? You know, I'm just curious. I be wondering like how this man gonna pull this off. This man, this man will go to a church and they'll be like, they need a piano player, and he'll get up there on that piano. And I'll be like, what's this man about to do?
I remember one church we went to.
Sometimes you pull it off. Like
I remember it was in high school. In one church we went to in high school, and I was looking at you like, Kersey, I do not know this song. I'm looking at you like, oh my god. And I'm looking at and yeah, you said I done good. I was like,
Cause I ain't gonna take up for if you doing bad, you doing bad.
Yeah, you'll let me know. But I mean, I definitely give all the praise and the thanks to God for my talent. You know, everything I have or I do that come off as talent.
Come on, somebody!
Hey, speak on it. Everything that I have, I give praise and thanks, and I give it back to Him.
Come on, honey.
So I thank you for. Thank you for recognizing it.
Come on.
Well,
but for real though.
But one day. But one day.
I'm gonna have a drink.
He made a way. Why are you so crazy? You're making me show out. Yeah.
Well, you do that naturally. You've been doing it for years. It ain't nothing I done. That's you.
Yeah, no. But yeah, I thank him for that though.
Okay, y'all don't get this man.
Yeah, don't get me started right now, man.
Yeah.
I get emotional.
Not today.
I'm gonna get emotional.
Emotional.
Hey, she got a few talents up her sleeve too, though. So
I really don't.
Don't let her fool you.
Yeah, talking.
She like
my way out of crime.
She
You heard me? Talking my way out of crime.
She can blow the heck out of saxophone now.
I was the worst.
No, you wasn't.
The absolute worst. I was always last chair.
What's that saxophone
now
player?
Put me on the flag now. I'm gonna tell you.
What's that saxophone player? The white guy with the curly hair, the saxophone player who always Lenny.
Not Lenny.
What's his name?
Not Kravitz.
I forgot his name.
Uh-oh.
Hey, drop his name in the comments.
Yeah, our daughter is over here standing on the couch
looking at us laughing. That's what she doing. Well, terrible.
Yeah, like we don't see her.
But yeah. Hey, but for real though, these crab legs off the chain.
And y'all like, I think that's how we're gonna do on the tough questions. But like this YouTube journey.
Yeah, talk about the YouTube journey.
It's enjoyable, y'all. We love putting our family out here. Cause I mean, this is us in real life. Like it ain't nothing fake about it. So,
man. It was all a dream. Hey, I just in my look. Hey.
Hey, babe. You okay?
You want to say something to Foster Squad?
You want to say something? No.
She
don't want to say nothing. She is just not feeling good today.
Under the weather.
She get like that when the season's about to change and stuff. And I think it's getting cooler here. So every time the weather change, she gets sick.
Mm-hmm.
But the YouTube journey is enjoyable. We've enjoyed putting our family out there. We do know every day ain't gonna be a good day. We ain't gonna act like it is.
Mm-hmm.
You gonna see the good, the bad, the ugly. Your coloring book is in. I'll get it. It's in the
I'll
truck.
get it right there. Hold on.
So every day is not gonna be a good day, and we're not gonna be fake and phony like it is.
Mm-hmm.
We just gonna be us. I mean, that's just who we are. Like we've never tried to put on as fakes or flaunters. We just us. So we do enjoy y'all following us on YouTube. It's not easy. This editing process, shooting this content, but y'all, we have enjoyed every second of it. We may not have 1 million subscribers or followers, but we still gonna do it because we love it. It's fun. It's just fun for us. It's not about money. It's not about none of that. It's about having fun.
Thank y'all for tuning in.
Thank y'all for tuning in.
Giving us time out your day.
Giving us time. Out your day.
Make it do what it do.
Yes. And don't comfort us by how we're eating. Comfort Shy and come in.
No, you're gonna say you trying to eat all perfect. I already know they're gonna say, like, you trying to eat all like, well, if you don't eat that shrimp, trying to peel it out, you better peel it out with your mouth.
TikTok bite. TikTok bite. What they be doing?
Oh my goodness.
You got TikTok bite.
Thumbnail. No, it said TikTok bite.
TikTok bite.
Oh yeah.
Hey. That's good, babe. TikTok bite.
Oh my goodness, it was funny, man.
Killing herself.
It was funny. Funny.
They be doing that shrimp though.
Uh-huh.
How they be doing that shrimp? Hold on 1 second before we close our video. We want to do a TikTok bite. You gonna do one too, babe? Are you done?
You do it.
I'm already done.
I want to break it out perfect. You know, you gotta get that perfect.
They be doing
pull it
it.
out perfect. That's what I'm trying to do.
Bite.
Don't bite. Don't bite.
Let me stop before I get this in my hair.
Okay, I think I'm about to get it. Look at that perfect. Look at that. Look at that. I'm that dude, man. Y'all come for me.
Just pull it out.
Oh,
You gotta mess it up, baby.
I think. See.
Oh, okay. I'm gonna.
So you gotta break this part first. You pull that part out, and you do it down, and then you slap it like that. TikTok bite.
Dip it in the sauce. You gotta have the sauce like dripping. Yeah.
Oh yeah, okay.
Okay.
Get down in there with ready. TikTok bite. TikTok bite.
Hey!
Daddy did that, though.
You did that, babe.
I did that.
But y'all, we about to get on out of here. Thank y'all for tuning in for our tough questions. Sean ran out. He done said a lot of stuff that ain't true. Like about the restaurant.
Oh my goodness.
But anyway,
restaurant.
I don't do that, y'all.
Hey, I know I'm gonna give me some free food that day, though. I know I'm gonna give me some free food.
Sean, that's not what
I'm
I
just
be
playing.
trying to do.
I'm just playing. That only happened like 2 days. Well, 2 times in our life. Well, in our life of being together.
It's happened more times. But not because I was acting ratchet, okay?
Oh, get ratchet. Get ratchet.
But y'all, we gonna
sometimes you gotta get ratchet though. So I'm just saying though. Sometimes you got to though.
Turn them up.
And you got to though.
But y'all,
now I'm talking about.
We're gonna go and get out of here. And we're gonna close with our little saying, which is every day do your best and God will do the rest. We out.
Peace.